Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to acquire your glider in Palia. First, you need to progress through the main story until you complete the Ancient Battery quest. This will unlock a new quest called Like a Bird. Head to Bahari Bay and find Najuma, who will offer to craft a glider for you if you bring her the necessary materials. You'll need 3 sapwood planks, 2 pieces of fabric, and 5 pieces of leather. Once you have these items, return to Najuma, and she will give you your new glider. Now that you have your glider, let's cover the basics of using it. First, ensure the glider is equipped in your accessories slot within the player menu. To start gliding, simply jump from any elevated position, like a cliff or a tall structure. While falling, press the jump button a second time to deploy your glider. You can then use your standard movement keys, usually WASD on PC, to steer and change your direction as you gracefully descend through the air. It's quite intuitive. To truly master gliding, consider these advanced tips. Gliding consumes your stamina, so keep an eye on your stamina bar to avoid an unexpected drop. You can extend your flight by looking for updrafts, which are environmental features that will lift you higher. Always try to launch from the highest possible point to maximize your glide distance. Experiment with different takeoff and landing spots to become more proficient. With practice, you'll navigate Palia's landscapes like a seasoned pro. The glider is an invaluable tool for exploration in Palia. It dramatically reduces travel time, allowing you to traverse the expansive world much faster than on foot. You can reach hidden areas and secret spots that are otherwise inaccessible, opening up new opportunities for discovery. Use your elevated perspective to easily spot valuable resources like ore nodes or rare foraging items below. Beyond utility, gliding offers stunning panoramic views, making exploration an even more enjoyable and immersive experience. Happy gliding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.